Today is March 19th, 2022. We're currently chasing a slight risk 5% tornado chance in East Central Pennsylvania. We're currently set up in Pottsville, PA, just on the edge of the 5% tornado risk. We're watching some low-top supercells in Central PA towards our region. We'll be chasing next few hours, maybe to early evening. Right now it's about 71 degrees over, I think, 56 for dew point, so it's, I mean, for March, really doesn't feel very much like March at all. We have pretty good share throughout the layer. We have had surface heating with, you know, some clearing, which has really helped.
I told you this is where the best SRH is.
We got huge turning of winds with height.
Max SRH.
This is like the local max of like SRH right where we are. Look at this.
The SRH bullseye.
Look at this.
I mean, that is a good way to do it.
Look at that. Look at the power line for reference.
You have SRH.
This is just moving in different, completely different directions. A little bit of vertical development in here, but
wow, that's a lot of gear.
That's ridiculous.
That's really good.
I don't know what
incredible.
This feels
We're
like
directly south.
It's someone ordered gearing.
this is starting to feel like a tornado day, is it not? Oh, it's coming right overhead too. All right, we're about to commit to a storm just east of, I think, Mexico, PA, and it's trying to become a supercell. It's got some good clear in front of it. There's a few supercells in this line, but we're committing to this middle one, which looks to be good. We can drop south if we have to, but this is where we're going for now. And we're kind of just waiting for it to appear, and we can either follow northeast once it gets here, or drop south to a little east of Harrisburg. There's going to be another, really like the southernmost storm. Looks like more like a discrete supercell, so we can drop south if we need to, but this is probably the strongest storm of the day. Tallest storm of the day. It's producing the most lightning, so we like our position for now. You can see it here, this beam come in. We did see an overshooting top earlier. I don't know if we can see it now. Sun's about to go in, but we're watching a trying to become a supercell thunderstorm a little bit to our west, which is approaching our region. These are some dramatic.
It's coming straight towards us.
The sun's about to go behind the cloud. Horseshoe vortex.
Yo! How's it going, buddy?
Horseshoe vortex.
Horseshoe vortex.
Yes.
I don't know if I got really lucky, but I saw 4 last
Here comes our storm.
Yo, we got some low-level helicity, maybe?
Alright, we got a, what is this, a pilot's cap?
Yeah.
Rear pilot's cap.
Got some dynamic pressure.
We got all sorts of clouds here. We go around here.
Somebody take a picture of it for me, I can't.
I got it. I got a video.
Sure, if you want that.
Alright, we just got a severe thunderstorm warning issued. Our hazards are 60 mile/hour winds and penny-sized hail.
Penny-sized hail?
Not sub-severe hail, but there it is in here.
There's a little bone segment in there.
These clouds are like just above racing. I swear I can jump and touch these clouds.
You can literally see this thing spinning on right
It's spinning like the top, but the structure needs some proof. Sun is gone. It's a little, looks a little more dramatic. These birds are just going crazy. Look at all these birds in here. I know, I'm almost like, here's our warning.
Mine's not on yet.
Are we in the polygon?
I reloaded it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we are.
We are barely in the
we're
polygon.
barely in it.
We are within the SVR polygon. Can we get this video to 2 points? Do we have a temperature with that?
Yeah, I think it's like 68.
67 point. It's definitely dropping.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that drop. Look at that drop. Is the birds. Look at them go. Look at these birds. We're heading south, guys. We are heading south. Exciting times. What we got?
It is the storm. Like out of all the storms in the Northeast, that's it's definitely the storm right now. I mean, look at all this lightning.
Look at huge burst of lightning.
It's really trying to separate.
So you said it was getting angry at the storm to its south?
The storm to the south is getting angry with it. I think it's stealing energy.
Well, that's what we want. Can you pull one of the Mechanicsburg one real quick, just so I can show the video?
Yeah.
Yeah, the second one we're looking at is discrete.
The left mover looks good.
There's a left mover down there.
That's funny.
We might position south of this thing,
Good.
stay on this one, and see how things go.
There's a lot of wind energy in there.
Yeah,
for sure.
rear inflow jet, big uptick in lightning.
Super celery.
This is frequently. It's got some sort of updraft stuff going on in it. This is featured here.
It's really pretty. It is pretty.
No, this is like, this is interesting.
It does look quite nice with the farm.
Yeah, this is just Pennsylvania. Here's our spot.
We got a sustained 10 to 15 mile per hour southerly wind.
Oh, I can see hail.
I think there's hail in here.
Very faint white streaks.
Yeah, I saw it too.
I think there's hail in
Mini
here.
windmill, right above the windmill there is where the white streaks start.
I think there's hail in there. There's hail in this. Probably like a lot pea-sized, I'm guessing, right?
Oh yeah, I see that it is the north part now is way up there.
Thunder's pretty frequent. It's a continuous rumble. It's ever so slightly getting louder and louder.
That tower's really close.
It is close.
So what? We either go north. Oh, they just put the whole thing under severe thunderstorm warning.
Okay, where are we going?
So I don't know. Do we go northeast and position in the bookend vortice and try to get a QLCS, or do we play south and hope that there's another cell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely the southern end of it. It's not really going to hit us here.
Or at least the heaviest part doesn't hit us here.
Oh, that's weird. How's the wind out there? The rain's right there. It's about to come down.
Gosh, the rain shaft.
You might want to pull up the windows in a second. Pull up the windows.
You can leave a little bit open.
Okay. Like that. Is that good?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, it's coming down now.
Oh, it got way colder.
Yeah.
Is what it's like low 60s, 50s? Wind. Hail. I think that's hail.
Yeah, I think we got hail.
We got hail.
Oh, I want to.
I hear it. I literally hear the hail.
Yep, that's hail. That's a teeny hail.
I can't believe we're getting it this far south. I say we fly first.
Oh, that was close. These are good rainfall rates.
This is the southern tip too. We
I know, yeah.
We didn't even get into heavy stuff. That's why I'm stunned it's coming down this much.
Yeah, I know. It was like orange on like reflectivity. Yeah, we're thinking about going south on a discrete storm near Lebanon. It's not really a supercell, but discrete, better chase rain. This thing's become very linear, and we're struggling to catch up to it. So we're at a crossroads up ahead. We're probably going to decide if we're going south. There's a few cold core storms to our west, but the chase rain there is so bad. So again, here's where we are. We're dropping south to this guy down here. So we'll see what that does. There's a few other storms even south of there, so we could even keep dropping south towards the Maryland border. This is a gorgeous area.
Yeah.
I don't know where we are,
I'm
but
looking at it on the cross section of GR2 Analyst, and
It's 15,000 feet tall.
that's why there's no lightning.
There was a single bolt.
Super low tops.
you can tell on satellite it doesn't.
Through
Look at that little
the rain.
Yeah, so just the stuff.
Golden hour. We're on our little supercell to the south. They're probably just gonna let it hit us and then call it a day because we're losing the light. It only has one CG strike so far.
Yeah, some rotation in there.
But it's a supercell.
It's a supercell, yeah.
Thunder?
Oh yeah, that is thunder.
Thunder.
It's probably cloud to cloud.
Oh, it smells like cow. We are really in an open field right now. You're in the shot. Well, there's a lightning strike right then.
I want to see this train. Where's the train?
I did miss it. Where was that?
Like right there. This smells like absolute cow.
Yeah, it smells like shit.
Probably good.
There's the updraft to the left, right?
Probably
Yeah, that's the mezzo.
Our mezzo's in there.
Oh, big drops.
Yeah, that's why.
Looks like it's a bit rain wrapped, honestly.
It does.
There's a little baby wall cloud.
It's trying. It's a supercell. I can see the rain up there. Look at the heavier rain up at the hill. You know, not this. Oh wow.
Yeah, we'll let this thing pass, see if we can get a view of the backside of it, because we have a really good view that way.
I was right there.
And then I think we'll call it after we're satisfied with that.
The rain's falling, so I can keep recording episodes.
Mezzo might go right
What?
over us.
The train.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I guess we can't see our mezzo anymore, right? I think the rain obstructed it. It would be right about there, but the rain's obstructed it. In the car. There's the sun.
Let me get
Now the rain's picking up. Probably, yeah. There's your sunset. Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna say.
That's the actual.
Because we're looking like southeast across the
Sam, is this whole cut out line?
Right, that's what I meant. Like that's the updraft right there, right? That, the rear flanking line comes around there and then goes in front of that range. You can't see it.
Let's go. Yeah, I was gonna say this is a good time lapse potential.
Yeah, I just started seeing it.
Hey, I wonder if you can see the left mover to our west. You think that's it back there? I know there's a left mover.
Yeah.
There's our left mover. We might get hit by it.
Squall line way up.
There's our squall line way up here. We were on this earlier. Here's our left mover.
What are you talking about? That's definitely a tornado.
Guys. Oh, that's probably valley enhanced. Scattered upslope. Because look at those hills over there.
You would consider that an overshooting?
I would, I think.
Yeah, it's
I wouldn't exactly consider that the trope is here, though.
Well, it's just shooting up above the rest.
Because you got the...
So, wait, look towards the end.
I can't see these cameras.
Looks decent. It looks more decent now.
I think it's
Actually.
turning into a line.
You think?
These are two distinct updrafts.
Yeah, those might be merging.
Yeah, you're right.
I think
Yeah.
it's gonna turn into a line pretty soon.
This might have been the best time to catch like a quote mini supercell out of this. I mean, I
think that's the split. That's a split. I think it's a split.
Ooh, are we gonna
Here, look. I mean, we can't see velocity, but I think that might be a split.
No, we're looking at this. That's that.
It's either splitting or converging.
I don't know. I'm not sure it's really anything.
There might just be two separate pieces of.
I think it's just
it.
two separate cells.
That's cool though. There's our sunset and color advection.
Oh, that kind of looks nice.
Say goodbye to our friend. Cute, short, annoying mini supercell.
There you go.
I turned back just in time.
I got it.
But see, here's the thing. That one was actually the cell to the north of it, I think.
Most likely. Goodbye.
Alright, lighting. Let's go.
Goodbye.
We're not that close
Just
yet.
what I need.
Alright, so here's our cold core storm that just developed. We're heading back through H-Berg and whatever's between that and St. College.
H-Berg. I hate that.
Yeah,
Never
I
say
know.
that again.
Well, it's been said. It'll probably be on YouTube.
Another lightning!
You said there was a tower to our south that's gonna blow up. That's probably it, right? Like a little development.
It might be. Why do these have so much lightning in them? What the frick? And that supercell couldn't have lightning in them, but these do? What the why?
Yeah, that makes no sense. Wait, it said rain and stopped.
It's still raining.
It's coming back. We're about to punch it. It's straight in front of us. You can see it. I mean, look how it's whiter in front of us.
Yeah, it's just a rain core.
Yeah. Come on, give me a flash. Big drops.
You got your third storm intercept of the day. Remember you said they come in threes? Wow.
That blinded me.
That was close.
That was close. Why did he stop so quickly?
What?
He like slammed on his brakes really quick.
Yeah, he
Why?
did.
I don't know.
I don't like that. Good reactions, I appreciate it.
I was nervous we were gonna hydroplane because he stopped so quickly.
Yeah. I didn't like that.
Huh?
This will be the last piece of my chase video.
Yeah.
The outro. We're going home.
Outro shot.
We're going back to Happy Valley, Pennsylvania, as they call it.
Outro shot. The baby Rainbow Road. You know it.
As we head up the roller coaster that is 322.
Fun.